HarborHoist troubleshooting and replacement of main control board. This video will focus on the testing and replacing the main control board. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the front plate. Lift up the control module front plate with a screwdriver and pull out. We'll assume you have verified the GFCI is working correctly. While unplugged, verify the connections to the main control module. Locate power supply on the board. One end of power supply will have high voltage 110 VAC input, and the other end outputs low voltage 12 VDC. Flip board over and locate the lead that should have 12 VDC. Plug control in. Caution, do not touch boards as they now have high voltage. Use your multimeter to verify 12 VDC. Verify high voltage 110 to 120 VAC. Caution, high voltage. With power removed from the control, remove spade connections for power lines and remove the nut holding the ground connection. Remove wire leads for the level sensor and valves by pushing down on the orange lever on the connector. Make note of the colors of wires and where they are in the connector for reassembly. Remove white blower power connector by squeezing both sides of it and pulling up. Main control module replacement. Insert spade connections for power lines and tug on them to verify that they are on properly. Connect ground wire and screw nut down. Push the white blower power connector back on to the connector on the board. You should hear a slight snap indicating it's locked. Tug on it to verify it is secure. Insert wire leads for the level sensor and valves by pushing down on the orange lever on the connector. Make sure they are secure by tugging on them. Power up the control and verify it operates properly. Reassemble the housing and front plate. Place housing over control module and allow the control module to slide through the opening. Reorient the control module front plate back in place. Secure front plate and housing screws back in place. It's very important that you recommission the lift as instructed in the operation manual. This includes verifying proper operation for raising and lowering without the vessel on the lift, as well as recalibrating your level sensor.